Fixing broken links can take you hours to complete, not because finding them was hard, but because tracking where they actually came from was a complete nightmare. I do SEO audit for my clients. The workflow looked like this: running the crawl website, exporting CSV, open random tabs, manually searching pages. You have to manually search on which pages the link is broken. I completely lose my sanity due to this. And if you have done the technical SEO audit before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Due to this factor, I changed the workflow completely. Instead of only detecting links, I started tracking where the link exists, which pages are creating this issue, and which problems actually matter first. Because there are multiple noise as well, so that you don't have to worry about them. Let me show you. Here is the tool that I have built specifically for this purpose to get a complete overview of my website technical SEO audit. What you have to do, you have to put your website URL in the dashboard and start the crawl. Once the crawl completes, it hardly takes a few minutes. If you have a big website, I can instantly see by clicking on view issues. I can see all the SEO errors based on its priority. And here we are talking specifically about broken links. So let's see them. So here you can see clearly which are the source pages, which are the broken links, and on which pages these are found. This sounds small, but this alone saves me hours during my audits. And another thing, most tools throw 100 of issues at you, which don't even matter. So prioritizing issues change everything for me. That's why I built it. Because I believe most of the other tools are built by so that's why they focus on more on the technicalities instead of what's actually helping the SEOs in improving their website. So that's why I built it, because I have the experience of SEO as well. So now you can focus instead of fixing random issues, fix high impact issues first. I wanted to build something around the workflow, not just reports. Single SEO gets much easier when you stop treating like a detective work. The goal is not finding more and more issues. The goal is to finding the most important issues, highly impacting issues, and fixing the problems faster. If you want to check out this tool, I have put the link in the description. Go and run crawl for your website.